Welcome back, everybody. Well, many people are losing weight with the GLP-1 medications, but that means a lot of left behind saggy skin.
So today, how to get toned without spending a lot of time at the gym. Dr. Deborah Mangione from the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa is joining us with a treatment that builds muscle without hitting the gym, right?
One of the problems, the side effects of these medications is you also lose muscle mass if you're losing fat. And it's very hard to rebuild muscle once you've lost it. Especially, if you've been overweight and you didn't work out a lot before, because sometimes people can't work out as well when they're overweight. And now all of a sudden they're losing all this weight and yet they've got to build some muscle so they can look their best.
Yeah, that's right.
Got a long way to go.
Yeah, especially if you lose weight, you want to be toned and
you want to
not
show off yourself.
Yes, you worked hard. You did this.
Exactly.
You don't want that saggy skin.
I totally get it. So you have the EmSculpt, which we've talked about before, but this is a perfect time to talk about it.
It really
because
is.
it's a remedy to that without hitting the gym for hours and hours and hours.
It is. It's for the muscle loss. And so with EmSculpt, two treatments in a 4-week period of time, so really rapidly, you will gain muscle. And you'll gain about 15 or 20% muscle mass in that period of time. And it will last. That will last at least 6 months to a year. And if you do continue to work out, and or if you start to have like maintenance sessions, you can maintain this forever.
Do you have to be thin to use it?
You have to have less than 7 centimeters of fat. So that's 2.5 inches, 3 inches of fat. As long as you have less than that on the outside, you can hit the muscle. Yeah.
Got it. See, that's helpful. Some of these before and afters, I mean, you think about just like as you age, how important that muscle mass is for balance and stability.
And people do feel stronger right away. Even guys playing golf say, I can't believe it. I feel like I have a little bit more control. I have this muscle now that, I can turn and feel comfortable doing it.
So where can you have the treatment done? I mean, we've seen some great ab shots.
Right, so abdomen, buttocks is amazing. You can really lift the butt when it starts to sag for other reasons, other just losing weight, as you get a little older, sometimes it gets a little flatter. But arms also, biceps, triceps, the thighs, the calves, we can use it on the extremities as well as the abdomen and buttocks.
Wow.
So you're doing these 4 sessions. How long do the results last? Because this is what I think will shock people.
Right, the results last a minimum of 6 months without doing anything more. They show at 6 months that you still, on CT scan, they're able to demonstrate that there's muscle building that is still there.
So what's actually happening? Because I've had it done before, so I get it. But before I ever tried it, I was like, I don't get how you get more muscle from it.
It's what we call high-intensity focused electromagnetic stimulation of the muscle. Basically what's happening is we are stimulating the muscle over and above how you can do it yourself by exercise. And so by this super stimulation of the muscle, you are forming not only muscle fibers to increase in thickness, you are actually building new muscle fibers, which we never knew was possible.
Wow.
So this is a pretty impressive thing. Excuse me, my eyes watering.
I'll say. Yeah. That's okay.
Don't cry about it. She's just so happy.
But it's, what is really nice is we have people coming in once a month or once a quarter to maintain it, and it truly maintains.
Wow.
But also working out is easier. They feel stronger as they work out. So all these things are great. And then if there's saggy skin, we have other solutions for that too, as we've talked about.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, I just think about the fact that the maintenance is so little, the amount of muscle and the tissue that you're building is so incredible. I can imagine, it's been proven. It's just like every ounce of this, there seems like there's no downside.
That's right. It really isn't for this.
Yeah.
Even women who have had babies and their muscular on the muscle on their abdomen splits apart.
Yes.
Okay, the diastasis as we call it. That is improved by this treatment.
Really?
Yes.
I think the important thing to note here too is a lot of people work out and they're somewhat toned, but to get to that level,
you can't get to this level.
It's almost physically impossible.
That's right.
So it can do something for you from a muscle stimulation standpoint that you can't do no matter how great your sit-ups are and how great your form
You're getting
is.
20,000 muscle stimulations during this half-hour period of time.
So do you get sore like you would in a workout?
Some people do. I've never gotten sore the times I've had it done. But some people get a little sore for a day or two, especially abdomen.
Can you do it on your arm?
Yeah.
Because that's a spot I feel like no matter kind of what you do, like genetically you either sort of have a little bit more muscle or you don't, and that would look really nice.
Yes, yeah, for sure.
Especially because you can do things for Saggy
Yeah.
Skin too. Thank you so much for
So
being
good to
here.
see you, Doctor.
You have a great special offer too.
Yeah, through November at the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa, you're going to receive $400 on a series of 4 EmSculpt treatments starting this month. And when you mention the Morning Blend, Dr. Mangione will include your first 2 maintenance treatments as well. They're located in Pewaukee. To make an appointment, call them at 262-746-9088, or for more information, go online to wimedispa.com.